Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to activate Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently updated your iPhone and you want to use Apple Intelligence on your device, so how you can use that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And the next thing, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version on your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings and general again, and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest software update on your iPhone. And the next thing, you have to check whether your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence or not. And the next you can also check is whether you are in region where Apple Intelligence is available or not. So the first thing, you can check whether you have availability of the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, because it is only available to limited device like iPhone 15, 14 and 16. So you have to make sure about that. So if you have that device, then you can simply go to settings, and after that you can simply search here, and you can simply find Siri and Apple Intelligence here. So here you can find only Siri, which means my iPhone is not still eligible for Apple Intelligence. So if you are eligible, then you will find Siri and Apple Intelligence here, and here you have to simply click on that, and after that that activate button will be available, and you can simply turn on and activate your Apple Intelligence on your iPhone and enjoy the Apple Intelligence and Siri. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.